Kwendlalwe amathuthumbo njengetshwayo lokuhlonipha ikutana esele yaziyela kuyisemkhulu uSolomon kalushi Mahlangu. uSolomon Mahlangu wabekwa lapha neminyaka ematjhumi 23 ubudala ngemva kokubulawa ngesihlungu mapholisa webandlululo. Abaholi be-ANC bathi umphakathi kufanele uragele phambili nomlando omuhle owachiwa boMahlangu. Abantu abatsha babawiwe bona basebenze ngamandla ukwenza isiqinisekiso sokuthi kuyalingana ngokomnotho eSouth Africa.
If we continue fighting 2024, this whole country will be in the hands of our erstwhile oppressors, those that killed Solomon Kalushi Mahlangu. So in his honor and in the honor of all those who died for this freedom, the African National Congress members and members of all the alliance structures, because we are all going to conferences, we are busy with conferences, including the leagues, we must remember that this freedom was not free.
Abantu abatsha bayavuma bona kuningi ekusafuze kwenziwe.
We continue as the ANC to justify things that are completely unjustifiable. We do it on every single day. Just this past weekend, we had to justify the election of someone who is in court for a particular offense, and we had to stand for Comrade Gwen, and everyone was standing in front of the media justifying that action.
Umndeni kwanje uyokuvula icala lokuphinyisisa ngehloso yokutholisisa kuhle ngokubulawa kwaMahlangu ngesihlungu.
Let us, when we commemorate the spirit of Kalushi, let us take perhaps the discipline that he had. The discipline that Kalushi had was beyond what a 22-year-old or a 19-year-old could have.
Lijoni lalokhe lomkhonto wesizwe ngamalanga akhe wokugcina wabawa i-ANC bona ingathomi buyele emva. Kufanele iragele phambili nomzabalazo ukulingana esizukulwaneni esizako.